Hey, this is Ross with my partner Bob. We have a show called Worldview Matters.
And Ross, as you know, we believe that everything in life is somehow related to how people view the world around them.
Our show is available on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app. Also available on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday evening, the 12th of March. I'm James Spann. Boy, what a nice day today. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network. We'll start with the Inverness Skycam overlooking the Highway 280 corridor south of Birmingham. Yeah, buddy, a cloudless March sky. Go way down south. There's our Gulf Shore Skycam. A few high cirrus clouds overhead, but they'll be dry down there through the weekend. Kind of cool, highs in the 60s, lows in the 40s through Friday, but they'll see 70s this weekend, and really no rain for a while for all the spring break folks headed down that way. Hey, I was in Atlanta today. Spoke to the local AMS chapter at Georgia Tech. Took that shot on the campus. The sky there is blue, and hey, looky here. They've got the infield grass down at the new Regents Park in downtown Birmingham. That looks great. Love that shot with the skyline back in the background and that cobalt blue sky. Good stuff. Yeah, missing some data on the water vapor satellite shot there, but really we don't need the data because it's basically dry and we're in great shape. You can see a trough carving out over the east. Temperatures are mostly in the 50s, Tuscaloosa 55. A little cooler than forecast today, so wouldn't be shocked if tomorrow will be a fairly chilly day as a new surge of colder air drops in from the north. I would imagine some folks north of Birmingham won't get out of the 40s tomorrow. In fact, there's a look at the colder air. It's below freezing this afternoon from basically Chicago north, and we'll catch a little bit of that tomorrow with a gusty north wind. But it's just nice and quiet. This is the rain through Sunday morning, showing nothing for most of the state, and I don't think we'll see any up there in the northeastern corner. We might catch a few showers early next week, but even now, it doesn't look like a big deal. Let's check modeling. This is the 12Z GFS, valid at 1 o'clock local time tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars, big trough over the east. And you can see it's going to be kind of a blustery day, windy, but sunny and cool. Highs 50 to 55, and that wind will make it feel cooler. Thursday, we start the day below freezing. Both models have us at 30. I think a lot of folks will be in the upper 20s. And again, a reminder, it's way too early to be planning things that will be damaged by a freeze. But the day will be sunny. We warm up nicely. The high should be close to 60. Friday, how about 71? That's the GFS forecast high for Saturday or Friday. Sounds pretty good. The sky will be sunny. And Saturday, as we start the weekend, interesting little battle there with a boundary north of us. You can see that colder air centered over Minneapolis-St. Paul and the warmer air over Alabama. But the warmer air, thank goodness, wins the battle. The GFS is showing 74, and Sunday the GFS is showing 76. Yeah, that'll be the warmest day of the year if that verifies. And again, there's evidence there might be a shower somewhere up north, but it's not much forcing for rain. The better chance stays north of us on that stall boundary. Partly sunny both days, so a great weekend coming up. Monday of next week, boy, it's very unimpressive. Little impulse coming in here in the flow, and that might kick the front a little to the south and maybe squeezing out a few showers, but this is certainly no big deal. And we stay very mild with highs in the 70s. And Tuesday, a surface boundary tries to sag in here, but again, there's not much moisture, and rain amounts should be very light. So some risk of showers early next week, Monday and Tuesday, but really no big deal and certainly no chance of severe weather. Got there 4 more days. This is Saturday, the 23rd of March. This is suggesting that might be the next big rain event. That's showing some good rains for the northern part of the state. Maybe a strong storm, not a classic setup. And the end of the forecast on March 28th out there toward the end of the month. Again, a weak front trying to ease in here, but that doesn't look like a severe weather event. So pretty decent chance just maybe we'll make it through March without a big severe weather problem. That would be good. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you can, watch us on ABC 3340 News, the live stream, or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Hi, I'm Steve Sample with Bama Talk. Don't miss a single episode of Bama Talk Show, available now on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app, and on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.